This is Annie from the QuickBooks team. You can use the QuickBooks Business Network to connect with your customers and vendors and send invoices directly to a QuickBooks account through the network. Also, the contact info you have for them will stay up to date when they make updates in their QuickBooks. Let's go over how to connect in the QuickBooks Business Network. Start by adding a new customer. The company name field is how you can search for the QuickBooks Business Network members. We'll search for Pete's Camera Shop. As you type, you'll see companies in the network that may match your search. Once you find the company you are looking for, select them from the list. You'll see their contact information is masked. This is to protect their privacy, but once you're connected, the information will unmask, and you'll be able to see their business email, phone number, and mailing address. To connect with this company and save them to your customer list, select Save and Send. This will send them an invitation to connect. Here's how it looks on their end. They'll get an email invitation to connect with you. They'll see your contact information to be sure that they know you or your business before accepting. Once they accept your invitation, you're connected. Now all the contact information that was masked will be visible in your QuickBooks. This icon next to the customer name means that you are connected in the QuickBooks Business Network. Now you can send them invoices through the network straight to their QuickBooks. Here's how it works. When you create an invoice and send it to your customer, they'll see it in their email like usual, but they'll also get a notification right in QuickBooks saying that they have a pending bill ready to review that QuickBooks has automatically created for them. This other video explains more about how QuickBooks automatically creates these bills for you to review. Now you're ready to start connecting in the QuickBooks Business Network.